Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 GMC Acadia SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as navigation, drive mode selector, sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and storage at the bottom with your power liftgate, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wooden chrome accents, as well as your seat memory. And onto the seats, you're going to have these power adjustable leather heated seats, super nice. On the left side, you'll have your vents, and on the steering wheel will be your cruise control, as well as your forward collision alert. On the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges. You can also access your audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start as well. And onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. You got your Bluetooth connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in your projection, I believe wired. And you also have navigation included as well. And you can access your rear camera with hitch guidance. Below, you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with the heated seats right next to them, as well as 2 USB ports and a 12 volt. With the shifter here, you got your traction control and lane keep assist and park assist, as well as your 2 and all-wheel drive and off-road and trailer, and center console storage as well. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wooden chrome goes all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, on start and SOS, and new power sliding sunroofs. So you're getting these 20-inch wheels on Michelin Cross Climate tires with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. You got the luggage side rail top, deep tint rear glass in the back with the dual exhausts. To the back here, you got the third row seats, and you're gonna have cup holders and some extra vents and lamps up top in the back here, as well as extra storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling storage right next to the speaker. Power window with a wooden chrome accent. Back. Lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With rear climate, as well as rear heated seating with 2 USB ports and an AC wall port as well. You get more storage down below here. Of course, the captain seats with the armrests. Lamps up top, handles on the side, and above you again, those power sliding sunroofs. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 GMC Acadia SLT, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as third row seating, power sliding sunroofs, drive mode selector, navigation, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.